Hey guys, welcome to another video, this time from home. I'm going to be setting up my budget drift simulator. The weather's horrible, so I'm definitely not going outside. If it's your first time, I'm generally messing around with cars, Japanese stuff. That's what I like to do. But this time I'm going to be showing you how you can maybe make something similar yourself on budget and drift on whatever your platform might be. So let me just show you quick what we've got. So I have got a GT Omega rig, bought it off Facebook I believe, and it was a present, so it cost me exactly zero, but it was bought for £50. It's a second-hand piece. I've got a Nissan Fiat Coupe or Coupe seat. I've got a G-Force G920 steering wheel, which you can pick up maybe for £100. I've got an Xbox One X and a PS1, yep, which cost me exactly zero too, but I'm not sure what the prices are. But if you do have a different platform, that's cool. Then I've got this adapter, which has been 3D printed for free, and a Case Racing steering wheel, obviously fake. It is at 320 mils diameter, which I thought will be ideal for the drift simulator. It's a little bit too small for a car, but I think it's just the right size for a drift sim, because I think the 350 is a bit too big. So what I'm going to do today, I'm going to mount the seat to the base, hopefully we're not far off, and then we can try and set it up and put the adapter on. Let's get started. Alright, so what we've got is the seat rail, which actually still moves, which is great. Makes it adjustable if some different player is on the chair. This seat did have like an actual vehicle specific mount, but it's actually very easy to undo them. And then we need to see how far off this base is. So that would be the front, this would be the back. So what it looks like, we will need to adjust these. And then on this side, on the chair, we'll have a bolt through there. And what it seems like, we might need to enlarge this hole with a drill bit. But other than that, it's gonna fit just nice, so that's great. So let's grab a drill, enlarge this hole, and then get a what seems to be like a 14 mil to adjust the bracket. Quick hoover before Jess gets home, before I get in trouble. Nothing to see. So I've got those holes enlarged. There we go. 1, 2. Now I got some bolts which I brought from work a while back. So fingers crossed I can find them. So I've got some bolts. They are only tiny. I think they're M8. I wouldn't use it in the car, but I don't think it really matters on the simulator. Let's get some washers, because why not? Right, so it lines up really nice. I just had to get a 10mm from the car because I haven't got one indoors. Let's tighten it up for 10mm. So tight, let's just line it up so it looks like it's in the middle. And tighten the 14s. Alright, so that's all secure. Let's just see if it works. It's not always that easy with the OEM seat. Anyway, let's flip it over and try. Alright, so I got the seat mounted. The runners are fully working, so if you get a mate that's a little bit taller or shorter, that's all good. Now I'm gonna put the adapter on. I don't think there is a point of showing you there is a ton of material on the internet. I follow one guy myself. I'm gonna put the link down in the description below. Put the adapter on and then mount the steering wheel, get the TV out and do some drifting. Good. Okay. I was a little bit worried about the shifter, but actually it's not bad. You know, once we maybe put a slightly longer knob on it. It's not the sturdiest setup, I'm not gonna lie, but it's better than nothing, isn't it? So let's just wait for Jess to bring the screws. You can screw this on and then we're ready. Sweet. Okay, Jessica got back. I've got the screws here. I'm hoping they're gonna be right for the adapter. I hope they're gonna be thick enough. Excuse the washing machine. Jess is being all domestic and doing all the cleaning now. I think they're gonna be right, so we just need to put on the steering wheel and then we can try to play some Assetto Corsa. Oh, I think it's just gonna be nice. Not too tight because it is just a printed plastic. If you hear it cracking, then you're doing it too tight. Yes, mate. No handbrake though, yet. Cool. Alright, so let's plug it in and then start the Assetto Corsa. Okay, so I just loaded up my first ever session practice in Assetto Corsa. I've got this E30 drift car. And nothing. Okay, attempt number 2. Okay, so this is attempt number 3. I have got gearbox, unfortunately it's on these flappy paddles, not on the gear shift. So I need to look into the setting first. Clutch kick. Way. Okay, so I've got a Supra, so I can be hopefully on the right hand side. And I have also selected the H shifter rather than the flappy pedal. Let's do it. Turbo noises, hopefully. No turbo noises. Whoa. It's quite different to the E30. I think I'm going to try some grip racing. I'm going to choose a GTR, obviously. So if you got all the way here, thank you for watching. I know it was a bit different than all the other videos, usually messing around with cars, but it is really cold outside and I wanted to make this video at some point anyway, to show you that you can make a rig on the budget. If you guys game yourself on the Xbox, please comment below on the video. Hopefully we can meet up and play together. You can perhaps tell me or show me what I can do better, because at the moment I'm really bad, as you saw. So thank you for watching, and I shall see you sometimes next week. Cheers.